It's still Saturday, November 24, 2018. The time is 4:20 in the afternoon. The floodplain is flooding. There's the boundary marker. On the other side of that is Washington Grove. On this side is my uphill neighbor's yard. That's the creek overflowing its banks onto their lawn. The floodplain in action. And heading back to the creek. Here is our sleepy little creek. You normally can't see it. It's too far down. You have to walk over to it to see it. Isn't that attractive? Our neighbors have their police tape up. Anyone want to get swept away? Right across that creek. So there. Only a few inches to our foundation. The water can't leave their yard. There's the swimming pool. And there the ground is higher because of all the fallen leaves and wild space. Probably why the water can't leave their yard. It backs up into our yard. For the same reason the water goes along the floodplain, and then when it reaches our forest, the ground is higher, so it heads back to the creek.